Children are happy to play when they can play freely. Tieħon and Nature Protec parquet floors ensure ideal conditions for this. The pleasant touch of real wood, the UV oil-treated surface is protected against dirt, as well as easy to maintain and clean. Even if a bit of paint misses and hits the floor, it stays on the surface thanks to the special protection. The surface finish, Nature Protec, prevents the substance from penetrating. There's no lasting harm done. Even dark shoe polish left to do its worst on the wood does not leave any ugly traces on this parquet floor, compared to a parquet that does not have this protection. And even household chemicals or red wine have little chance to leave stubborn stains. Enjoy the natural feeling of wood without having to take care all the time. Nature Protec offers you this freedom. Genuine Tieħona.